Okay, we're going to be looking at what you're doing with some gears for this assignment. So there are lots of different slides here of different types of gear systems to create, including one slide about what is force. So you're going to be using a website called Gear Sketch. And to get to the website, you will just click on this big title here, and you can open it up. I already actually had one open, but we'll just go to that. And there are a couple of instructions on what you can do on here to create gears and how to change the gear systems. So draw a circle to create a gear, trace on the edge of the gear to choose which direction the gear will move. The bigger the arrow, the more force. Press play to start the movement, and then you press the paper again to stop it. And I'll show you all those things here. We're going to make an example. So each of these slides has instructions and even images about what you're supposed to make. And then you're going to answer the questions about how the gears move. So it says when you have a small and a large gear connected, which one will go around more times in 30 seconds? Okay, well, let's create this system. And we're going to see which one goes faster, the large or the small. So I'm going to make one large gear driving a small gear. Whoops. So to make a gear, we have to draw a circle. And ooh, that's an ugly circle, but guess what? It knows what I wanted to do. And then I want to make a small one, but I want them to be connected, something like that. Got a large and a small. And then I just need that one, the driver, to go like that. Up there. And then we click play, and we'll see in 30 seconds which one goes faster. Okay, wow. Can already tell the big one has gone halfway and the other one's done a bunch of rotations already. So which one's going faster? And to stop it, I'll just click somewhere. And I'll answer the questions. Now, why do I think it is? So that's up to me. Why do you think it is? Not why does Mr. Minema think it is? That's up to you to think about. We have some directions for this one. If the gears are connected, what direction will the second gear go? So remember, this is your driver. This is your driven gear. And you can make that on the gear sketch. You can make your own system too to test things out at the end. So a couple more examples. And then on the last slide, I'd love it if you could share a gear with me here, a gear system. If you create something really cool, you can always, first of all, you can always create a blank slate here if you want to start over. You can make a big gear driving this little guy. I wonder if I can put another gear on top of that one. And then maybe I'll have another big gear over here. Let's see. Oh, you can also use chains. Let's see how this goes. Gotta be a little steadier with my mouse. There we go. This will be fun. So this little guy's gonna try to drive both these big ones. That's gonna have to work really hard, this gear. And both of those are moving, even though it's not touching that one. It's driving this one, and this one's also driven. So have fun with all that. Now I created this cool gear system. I can actually save it. So this is like a save. It saves to this cloud, and it even pops up this message, board saved. Share it by copying the text in your address bar. So I click on it, Control C to copy, and then I can paste it here. And that's that. So have some fun with this cool little assignment, something interactive, and make sure to answer the questions.